Big Candy Driver YouTube channel.
I love you, and I mean it. It's raining again. Figured I'd try this here cow mount thing again. Because the drain's so bad.
You know, but you just saved you way more than I do. I put my four-wheeler in here. Keep my hind end from getting wet. Alright, let's go see if we can't pamper some cows and calves. Y'all don't let me forget when I'm back in here, I parked my four-wheeler in here so that way I don't run over and get all mad. the extra number that time. Maybe I need to go back. Now, you never know. I didn't sit on these guys. That don't mean they can't be. They're supposed to be. That don't mean the neighbors cattle ain't over here either. That ain't no big deal. We all work together for our best to up here. There ain't no sense of getting decided though. You get decided over, you just have to come back down off of it anyway. You know? So don't hit my phone, brother. Alright. Just like that. Listen to that sound of that rain, my gosh. Get you down from there. Tell you what, if I had me a little cod or something other up here, man, wouldn't be worth crap all day long. This right here is where I'd be sleeping, I guess. See if I can get this thing down. Got all these spider looking legs on it. I like it, it works pretty good. It works better with 2 hands. The struggle is real. Alright, let's see if we can get her string. Put that back over. But yeah, it's been a pretty daggone rainy day. I don't know if you can see it or not, but got them little tripod legs and stuff on it. Works pretty good. Holds your phone stuff in here in the top. See, we got a little adjustment here. You can turn it side to side, level it up there a little bit or whatnot, but works pretty good. Walmart, I think, is what they got for me for Christmas. The boys and my wife, my grandbaby. Walmart, I think it's like $20 maybe, something like that, nothing major. But yeah, it's raining. Anytime you get frustrated with this rain or whatnot, just remember that you'll miss it, and when it comes around August or something other than we're drier than crap. So we'll take what the Lord gives us. Just the way it goes. As you can see, that mud hole got dried out, and now we got a little miniature pond there, and the cattle have been coming up here and drinking out of it. How many of them just got a pond in front of your barn? I mean, right in the front door to go in and get your hay, you know. But that right there happened when I used that John Deere up here that year. It ain't never been right. I keep trying to fill it in. I'm going to have to just get me a couple buckets of that good clay dirt, because all that's up here, they used to raise tobacco all up and down this field and whatnot, all out through there. Whole thing used to be nothing but tobacco back in the day. That's what these used to be, was a tobacco barn. They tore it all out now and turned it into a hay barn. That's what's happened here in the South. Pretty good old barn. I mean, if you want to, you can still hang back her up there. You know. I don't know, I ain't that young like I was. But they've tore it all completely out from what it has been. They used to be an extra run up there at the top of the eave and whatnot. And two big doors up there, well, like windows. You flop them open, and used to the old back of it had the same thing. You flop them open, and you let the air come through, which either way, and it would help cure out that tobacco back in the day. And I can't open the doors right now, but this right here, I mean, you can pretty well see just a little room in there, like a tack room, they call it. Can't open them doors. I want to show you all this sometime, but over here on the right-hand side was everything for like the horses he had at that time, and a mule. A tack room, plus over here is where they graded all the tobacco and brought it in there and baled it. You know, put it in them compressed balers. So this barn's rather old. It's beautiful. I'm like my mom. My mom really loved these old barns and stuff. Lord have mercy, I miss her every day. Miss my daddy, miss all of them. But Mom was nuts over barns. I mean, yeah, she loved her barns. But, you know, I don't know if you can see them or not. But now, right there, is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. There's 11 turkeys. Yeah. And that's, honestly, that's a low number, because usually when you see turkeys up here, it's anywhere from 25 to 50. We're eat up with turkeys. Coyotes may be helping us thin them out too, you know, because we're eat up with those too. That's the whole reason why I keep these donkeys and stuff in here. But I tell you what, they earn their keep. They run them coyotes out of here. You know, they let them be as long as they ain't messing with the herd. But when they get close to the herd, I'm talking within 100 yards of the herd, they'll stomp, and you'll hear the god awfulest racket you ever heard in your life. And you'll look up there and you'll see them coyotes. I've seen them make them go around the fence rows, you know, and they just stop and stare at them, and donkeys would make them run, put them over the other side of the road there. It's crazy how God planned everything out to work the way it does. You know, His nature, man, I'm telling you, it's a beautiful thing to watch, I think, in my opinion. And y'all need to check out Double J Farms on YouTube there. I think it's Double J Homestead, I think is his YouTube channel. He's going through some pretty rough times right now. Man needs all the prayers he can get, his family, whatnot. And Jeremy, buddy, we're praying for you, brother. We love you. But now Jesus loves you way more than I do. And but it's just the way it is. Praying for you. If there's anything I can do, let me know, you know. But yeah, just remember the folks that ain't doing well. As the old timers used to tell me all the time, I used to hear them talk when I was a kid, they'd always say, when things is going well for you, remember us. I think that's pretty well self-explanatory right there. When everything is going well for you, remember us. So if we all live our life like that, I'd be better. And I suck at that right now. You know, I need to learn how to do that. I guess all this technology's got me spoiled, to be honest with you. But you know, good old rainy day here in the big Taz, Vegas. Hey, I'm gonna walk out here and show you, can't I? I forgot. I got me a little gap here now. Yeah, we're almost made it here to the back. There's the end of it. We got a leak right there. Yep. Right there, probably a nail head. There's the big, beautiful Tazewell. Tazewell, Tennessee. Still can't see the white rocks over there. Whatnot. Golly, man, it's beautiful. There's old red cow. I ain't gonna mess with her today. It's raining. I don't want to get wet. Fly out of here on the four-wheeler and get her done. All right, guys. We'll see what's going on tomorrow. See if I can't film you some more of this boring feeding stuff. Like I say, you hang on. It's fixing to get fired up here. We'll have to kick all this manure around and everything else, get it spread out and do some more seeding. Some people might not like how I do my seeding. I broadcast mine through my Whirlybird fertilizer spreader. But, hey, it's worked for years. But, doing something is better than doing nothing. You know, that's why I try not to criticize on anybody that's doing anything. You know, but I always remember that doing something is better than doing nothing. What my daddy used to tell me all the time. That's all. But anyway, we're gonna cut it off here. See if I can find that off button. It's for you, Dave. I believe it's right there. Oh, wait a minute. No. Oh, yeah, right there it is. I found it.